Hello parents, today in math we discussed multiplying decimals by powers of 10, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview as to what I did so that you can better help your students. So let's first discuss powers of 10. So I've told my students that 10 is our base, and the little buddy, let's just say our little buddy is 2, that is the power. That means we're going to multiply 10 two times to get 100. So that's all that exponent means. It means how many times I'm going to multiply. So once again, we have the base of 10, and let's say our exponent is 4. That means I'm going to multiply 10 4 times. So it will look something like this. Or my answer would be 10,000. Now, I also reiterated to my students that this little buddy up here indicates how many zeros is going to be in our answer. So let's say, for instance, going to today's lesson, we have a decimal of 42 and 3/10, and we're going to multiply that by 10 to the power of 2. Again, 10 to the power of 2 means 10 times 10. The students should know that this 2 indicates that there is going to be 2 zeros. So again, 42 and 3/10 is multiplying by 100. Again, we got the 100 because we multiplied 10 times 10. Now, one way that they can do this is by writing the number as normal, 42 and 3/10. And then what you're going to do is you're going to move the decimal 2 times. 1, 2. Now, when I move that decimal 2 times, as you can see here, that there is an empty space. That empty space, we're just going to write a 0. So now my new number is 4230, which also equals 4,230. I've also reiterated to my students that 4,230 has a decimal at the end because when we move the decimal 1, 2, the decimal now has a new home. And where's the decimal where there is no decimal? Behind the ones place. Again, this 0 is in the ones place, and the decimal is right behind it. So let's do another one. We have 9 and 46 hundredths, and we're going to multiply that by 10 to the power of 3. Again, 10 to the power of 3 means that I'm going to multiply 10 3 times, or I'm going to have 1 with 3 zeros behind it. And I'm going to multiply that by 9 and 46 hundredths. So once again, I am going to move my decimal 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Again, there's nothing here. So I'm going to make a 0. So my new number is 9460, which also equals 9,460. And my decimal point is right behind the ones place. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to let me know. Otherwise, here are your notes.